Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Dom here, and just a real quick one today. People ask how to hide your speedo. Now we're not going to go into the reasons of why you would want to hide your speedo, but if you do, then the easiest way is a bit of electrical tape over the top here. And what you do is when you're recording, flip it into the race screen, and then that way your speed up in the top left corner is not visible, and you just have full access to everything else on the bike. And of course, if you want to know what your speed is, press and hold up, go back to this screen, press and hold down, and you'll fire into your race screen. I've tried all sorts of ways to hide the speed on this screen. With it being a TFT, all of the monochrome lenses, all of the polarized films, none of them work. Then I thought, well, it's probably because it's a color TFT display, so I thought I'll go down the iPhone route, and I got myself one of those iPad privacy glasses where if you tilt to the side you can't see it there. That didn't work. So the only thing that works, just go old school, little bit of electrical tape, job done. So you're riding along, see your screen there, press down, and speedo disappear. Press and hold up, press and hold down. Hope that's helpful. Thanks as always for watching, and catch you on the next video.